If we consider the online advertising industry, about 70% of advertisers fail to target consumers with behavioral data, and over 1 in 1,000 ads gets clicked in an online display ad campaign. The point here is marketers have consumer data and pay exorbitant fees to the middlemen involved in advertising, but even then, they are unable to engage the target audience. So how to get the right audience to see your ads and then get them to engage with it? Luckily, blockchain technology offers a solution. For example, if you are a marketer, your organizations could reach a whole new level of innovation and utilize blockchain's properties to create a decentralized search engine that help marketers get in front of their target audience. The impressive fact is they even compensate the target audience in the form of cryptocurrency for providing their personal data to the advertisers. So every time someone clicks on ads on, say, your XYZ search engine that you created with blockchain, they get paid. This increases the hyper targeting of ads, and people see only those ads they have stated interest in. Another prevailing threat is ad fraud. Ad fraud in the marketing industry is becoming a serious issue for advertisers. Paying for fake clicks and impressions has become a common phenomenon today. Back in January 2017 alone, it was found that 1 in every 5 pay-per-clicks was fraudulent. Ad fraud is not only emptying the pockets of marketers, but also distorting their analytical data, which is ultimately affecting their strategic decisions. Remember, there's no way yet to authenticate clicks. With the foundation of blockchain technology, advertising platforms can display all click-through in real time. They can also help marketers by renting out their advertising space and bringing quality traffic back. Now let's have a look at how blockchain could disrupt loyalty programs and reward systems. A customer never forgets when he is made to feel special. That's why loyalty programs work so well with sales. So how can marketers use blockchain technology to create amazing experience for their customers? A gift card can rest upon the blockchain and become a safe platform for issuing and maintaining gift cards and loyalty programs. Frequently, customers accumulate several gift cards and don't get to use them because either the card has a few bucks left or doesn't buy something they find useful. The results? All the money goes down the drain and creates a bad consumer experience. This gap can be filled using blockchain technology, converting the gift cards into digital coins/wallets, allowing customers to redeem them. Better yet, combine different coupons, gift cards, etc., and redeem them in a single transaction. Summing up the conversation, by implementing blockchain technology into your marketing system, it has the capability of producing these outcomes: manage budget spending, remove intermediaries and prevent fraud, manage the risk of overcharging and reducing underperformance of the ad campaign. What do you think of my today's video? Would you be interested in knowing more about how blockchain can change the face of marketing and advertising today? Do leave your comments in the comment box below. If you enjoyed watching my content, please share this video with your Facebook groups or on YouTube with your friends. Thanks for watching me. I will see you in my next video.